Hello guys and welcome back to on this channel. So today a huge update was launched for AI and the changelog is really big. So you will see that the changelog, which is actually not fitting into a page here for me, covers AI forms, embeddings, omniblocks, and many more SERP APIs. I will be creating videos and covering all these changes in the upcoming days. However, today I want to talk about the most important part of this update, which is actually integrating xAI's API to access the Grok models. And this is huge because xAI just launched its public API a couple of days ago, and I integrated it into the AI-matic plugin. So go ahead guys and check AI-matic. It is linked in this video description. You will be able to use also xAI's models in it. So actually, at the moment, xAI only supports a single Grok-beta model. However, it is expected that they launch many high performance models, and yeah, they will get huge because a huge amount of money is invested into them. So stay tuned for Grok and for xAI because they have huge potential. Also, if you sign up today for their API, so you can do this by going to settings menu in Aimogen API keys tab and click on the xAI link. You will be able to get $25 free each month until the next year, until 2025, for usage of their API. So $25 free usage because they just launched and they have this huge promotion. So you can sign up for an account if you click here. Afterwards, after you signed up, click go to API console, and here you will be able to create your key on this little button, API keys, and click create API key. Copy the key and paste it here in the plugin settings, and as you can see, I consumed only 2 cents of usage from my $25 of free credit. So this is for this month only, and next month the $25 free credit will be refreshed, and this will be until 1st of January, so based on their announcements. Okay, so now let me show you how this will work. Let me show you in the chatbot, for example. If you click the API parameters tab, you will see chatbot model, and here you will be able to search for and select the model, the Grok-beta. This is the single model which xAI supports at the moment. So let's select it and save settings. And now my chatbot is set to use the xAI model. So let's greet it. And xAI supports streaming, they support function calling, and this will allow also the extensions from here, the chatbot extensions, to work. So you will be able to scrape sites, to access Amazon products, to create images, to also get SERP results, YouTube videos, and many more in the chatbot when using the xAI model. So here it is. How can I assist you today? Let's ask it to count to 100. So note that this usage is currently free because because the xAI is giving $25 free. So don't forget also to switch to response streaming from chatbot instant responses, because you saw that currently response streaming was disabled in the chatbot, and now we will get this real-time generated responses. And if we ask the AI to count to 100, it will count now to 100. It will actually, so it will provide the responses as they are generated, and this will make to the AI responses seem like they are generated much faster. So here it is, the streaming is working, the extensions are also working. I tested all of them, and Grok will be able to handle them also. And yeah, go ahead guys and test xAI in Aiomatic, because it has huge potential, as I told you. And yeah, all you have to do is add your API key in the plugin settings, select the model that you want to use, and go ahead using it. So keep in mind that you will be able to use this model all over the plugin, not only in the chatbot. You will be able to select this model all over. So here in the, let's search for xAI, here it is, Grok-beta. You will be able to use this also in the bulk AI post creator, single AI post creator, omniblocks, the content editor, and practically all over the plugin will be able to benefit of xAI model starting from now. Okay, so Aiomatic is linked in this video description. Let me know in the comments of this video if you have more ideas, suggestions of how to integrate this or other parts in Aiomatic. And yeah, this is all for today. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.